Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today we'll see T4 fast test kit, that is thyroxine test. So this is used to test the thyroid. So now we'll see the contents in this box. This is the test strip. This is the pack insert in which all the process is given. This is the diluents. So you have to add the sample in this diluent. There is this micro pipette which are disposable, and this one also. This is the SD card. Now we'll see how to test thyroid. So we'll take the SD card first and we'll keep here, and it will read read this SD card and it will give the notification. We have to click OK, and you can see here SD card QC succeeded. So now we can proceed with the test. So now we'll prepare the sample. So we will take 40 ml of blood sample and add into this diluent. So I'll add this 40 ml of blood sample into this diluent. We'll mix it gently. Now we'll open this test strip. And place this test strip in clean horizontal place. And the solution that we have made, we'll take 100 ml from this. And we'll add here. So now we'll insert this test strip here and we'll click on start. So it will take 900 seconds to give the results. So until then we'll wait. So now you will get the results in 900 seconds. You can see the results on the screen as well as on this printer paper.